Email marketing is the bread and butter for small businesses and entrepreneurs. So how can we stand out with our email marketing in 2019? Well, stick around because I'm going to tell you right now. If you're new here, I'm Jade, and this is my channel, Misskoko, where I regularly share tips on how to make a rockin' online presence to help your job hunt or to help your small business. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe. And today we are going to be covering email marketing and how yours should look in 2019. Get out your pen and paper because there are two things I want you to research for email marketing in 2019, and they are segmentation and targeted automation. If you can wrap your head around these two things, your email marketing will take off, literally. When you segment your email list, you're making it easier for you to provide your clients with exactly what they need. For instance, in my business, I provide social media audits for both job hunters and small businesses, but that service looks very different for those two groups. So when someone joins my email list, I make sure to separate them straight away into a job hunter category or into a small business category. This allows me to make sure I'm sending the right emails and the right content to the right people, and therefore giving my clients exactly what they need. There are all sorts of processes you can automate when it comes to email marketing. You can automate welcome emails, you can automate product launches, you can automate newsletters. Couple that with segmentation, and then you can automate service reminders and content reminders for your various client groups. See, you might be creating blogs or video content for both client groups, but that content might not be relevant for both groups. And targeted automation lets you separate them out. Let's get smart with our email marketing. If you understand the client's journey from start to finish when they join your email list, then you can pretty much automate each step they take. A growing trend for email marketing is to have less pictures and more text. So in 2019, I want you to up your storytelling game. I want you to remember how to write a narrative and apply that to your welcome emails, to your sales emails, to your newsletters. People are more aware of their privacy online and where and how they give their information. So be transparent with your email marketing. Let people know how their email will be used, and make it easy to unsubscribe from your email list if they're no longer finding value in your content. Trust me, your clients will appreciate that you have thought about this growing issue. The last piece of advice I have for you is to make sure your emails are optimized for mobile. We all know that more and more people are accessing content from a mobile screen. So if they can't read your email on their mobile, they're probably not going to read it. If you're using an email marketing platform like GetResponse or ConvertKit, they have a preview you can use to make sure that your content looks good on a mobile screen. There is even a preview panel you can turn on in Gmail, so you have no excuse. Let's recap. So how can you improve your email marketing for 2019? Segmentation and targeted automations. Research both and implement both in your email marketing. They will not only save you time, but by implementing both, you can ensure that your clients will always get exactly what they need. Less pictures, more text. Become a storyteller or a master bard. Focus on text that tells a story that your clients can relate to. And when they relate to you, that's building a solid relationship. Privacy. Acknowledge the current climate of, growing distrust in the big companies that hold our information online. Need I mention Facebook? Go the extra mile and ensure your clients that you'd never do such a thing to them. Let's be ethical in our business. And lastly, optimize for a mobile screen. I mean, come on, you've seen it. What's everyone doing on the train home after work? They're looking at one of these. So if your content isn't optimized for a mobile screen, you're missing out on a big chunk of eyeballs. So make sure it is. If you have any questions about email marketing, let me know in the comments below. I want to know your pain points, so I can help you with them, of course. Please stick around, because in my next few videos, I'm going to be talking about what an online presence actually is. Remember to always be curious and DFTBA.